us continue our journey in the world of patents and take a look at this beautiful picture. Okay, and today's key term is restoration. Okay, friends, till now we have discussed about all the relevant sections and rules pertaining to a specific form number, and by proceeding in this way, we have completed up to form number 14. Okay, so today is the turn for form number 15. And the key word of form number 15 is restoration. Okay, so in this picture, you can see in the left side of the figure, there is a barren land, okay, with the trees which have no leaves, okay, and you can very well see the condition of the land and the living beings, which includes the vegetation part. Okay, and right side you can see a green field with beautiful flowers, okay, and which indicates everything flourishing. Fine. Here even the birds are here. Just take a look here. Even the birds are flying in a happy mood. Fine. So that means there is a great difference between the two pictures. Why I am telling so many things basing on this picture? Because I want you to understand what is restoration. Okay, what is restoration? And so by taking a pictorial view itself, you can find the meaning of the word restoration. Fine. Still, I will try to explain something more in the next slide. Okay, so let us proceed. And yeah, another thing, just I want to show you a video. Just take a look what happens here only in this picture. Okay, see, what was that? That was raining. That means once upon a time the field was like this. Okay, after doing some actions, and the action was done by the rain, and after that the after effect of rain is this one. That means the flourishing and the green field and land, green field. Okay, and the flourishing climate or the atmosphere. Fine. Now I will explain in detail. So let us proceed to the next slide. Fine. See, just take a look. Yeah. In this slide, we have the key term restoration, and the literal meaning of the term restoration is the return of something to its original condition. Now you can recall the picture of the previous slide and you can very well understand it. Fine. And here, as we have just now discussed, that we have completed up to form number 14, and today is the turn for form number 15. So the word or the keyword restoration indicates to form number 15. Fine. This is just to remember. Okay. So let us proceed to the old slide. Okay, old slide from the video lecture where we have tried to establish the linkage between the rules, forms and the relevant section. Fine. So let us proceed to the old slide just to refresh our memory. Fine. Okay. 15. The title here is Application for Restoration of Patents, and the related section is 60 and the related rule is 84. The title of section 60 is Applications for Restoration of Lapsed Patents, and rule number 84 is Restoration of Patents. So you can just observe one keyword here. The keyword is restoration of patents. Okay, so easily you can relate the form, the rule and the related section. Let us proceed to the next. Today's section is section number 60, and this comes from chapter 11, and the title for chapter 11 is Restoration of Lapsed Patents. Okay, and here just a second. Yeah. The title for section 60 is applications for restoration of lapsed patents. Okay. So the keyword here is restoration. Okay. So let us have a detailed study on this. Fine. Subsections of section 60. Okay, we will discuss about the keywords. Okay, so section 60 has three subsections in total, and the keyword or the key term for subsection 1 is a patent has ceased. Okay, and for subsection 2, actually the subsection 2 is not existing, it is omitted. And for subsection 3, the key term is contain a statement. Okay, so just try to remember these key terms or the key phrases and try to recall the subsections as a whole of the respective section number 60. Okay, I have chosen my words as per my convenience. You can choose your own. Fine. Okay, let us proceed then. Subsection 1 says, where a patent has ceased to have effect by reason of failure to pay any renewal fee within the period prescribed under Section 53 or within such period as may be allowed under subsection 4 of Section 142, the patentee or his legal representative, and where the patent was held by two or more persons jointly, then with the leave of the controller, one or more of them, without joining the others, may, within 18 months from the date on which the patent ceased to have effect, make an application for the restoration of the patent. Okay, that means a situation has been described here. Okay, where the patent is seized and how it can be restored. Okay. So here for this subsection, please refer section 53, section 142, where section 53 is term of patents and section 142 is fees. Okay. Also friends, you can see here for the single star mark. Okay. This come to here. The single star mark indicates that it is substituted by Act 15 of 2005, Section 43 for prescribed period or within that period is extended under subsection 3 of Section 53 with effective from 1st January 2005. Okay. Similarly, when you go to the double star mark here, please come to here and see that this is substituted by Act 38 of 2002, Section 30 for 1 year with effective from 20th May 2003. Fine. That means we can say that earlier the words inside the square bracket were prescribed period, or I am talking about the single star mark. Okay, so please take a look. Prescribed period or within that period is extended under subsection 3 of section 53. Earlier it was like this and now it is like period prescribed under section 53 or within such period as may be allowed under subsection 4 of section 142. Up to this. Fine. Similarly, go to the double star mark. We can see here that the words inside the square bracket were 1 year earlier and now it is 18 months. Okay, that means the time period was 12 months earlier and after the amendment it is 18 months. Okay, just remember like this. Now we will try to analyze our subsection. Fine. So we can say here the situation is the patent is seized. Why it is seized? Where a patent has ceased to have effect by, what is the reason? The reason is failure to pay any renewal fee. Okay, first thing is that the thing is that the patent has ceased. And what is the cause or what is the reason? The reason is failure to pay any renewal fee. within the prescribed time. Okay, as per section 53 or subsection 4 of section 142. Fine. Now, the patentee or his legal representative and the patentee or his legal representative and see the operator where the patent was held by two or more persons jointly. That means there is a, we can say, partnership is there, joint applicants are there. Fine. Then in that situation, with the leave of the controller, one or more of them without joining the others. Okay, one or more of them, that means between the, among the joint applicants without joining the others. Okay, taking the leave of the controller within a particular time, that is 18 months from the date on which the patent ceased to have effect. Okay, that means starting from the date where the patent has been seized, and the time period is 18 months. Okay, so those persons can make an application for the restoration of the patent. Okay, so I have tried to explain the whole subsection just by dividing it into different parts. Okay, so I hope it is pretty much clear now. I don't think I need to explain it more, because at each stage I have clarified. Fine. So this way friends, subsection 1 of section 60 is very much clear. Fine. So now we will go to, and one thing I can tell you that section 60 and rule 84, okay, they are very closely related. That also we will discuss later. Okay, so let us go for the subsection 2. Fine. Okay, subsection 2, see the star mark here. Actually it is written that it is omitted by the Patents Amendment Act 2002. Okay, that means subsection 2 of section 60 is omitted by Act 30 of 2002, section 30, with effective from 20th May 2003. Fine. So we can say that subsection 2 is not existing now. Fine. So let us proceed to the next subsection. Okay. Subsection 3 says an application under this section shall contain a statement verified in the prescribed manner, fully setting out the circumstances which led to the failure to pay the prescribed fee, and the controller may require from the applicant such further evidence as he may think necessary. Fine. So friends, see here the key term or the key phrase is contain a statement. So whenever you will talk about subsection 3, just remember the keyword or the key term is statement. Fine. So see, an application under this section means section 60. What it shall contain? It shall contain a statement. Okay. And the statement should be verified in the prescribed manner. Okay. And it should fully set out the circumstances. It should describe the circumstances which led to the failure to pay the prescribed fee. That means if the payment is not done, the valid reasons must be there. Valid reasons and the valid circumstances that are mentioned in the statement. Fine. And the controller may require from the applicant such further evidence as he may think necessary. And after getting the statement also, if the controller feels, or we can say that if the controller is not satisfied with the statement, then he may require from the applicant some further evidences. Fine. I hope it is pretty clear now. The relevant section, the relevant rule is rule number 84, as I said earlier, and rule 84 is restoration of patents. Okay, and the application is made via form number 15 that we already discussed, and form number 15 is application for restoration of patents. Okay, so friends, in this way all the subsections of section 60 are completed. Also, I would like to tell you one thing, just a sec. Yeah, we can in a very simple statement I can describe subsection 3 as just listen. The application should contain the statement duly verified, fully setting out the circumstances which led to the failure to pay the which led to the that means fully setting out the circumstances which led to the failure to pay the prescribed fee. In a very small sentence I have just mentioned. Fine. So this way friends, please go through all the slides. Please go through the barracks as well. Okay. So put down your queries, compliments, comments, anything in the comment box, and yeah, we can interact and keep learning, keep enjoying. Fine. The reference is Patent Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005 and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. Okay friends, thank you all for watching my video and listening to me. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe the channel, and please put down your compliments, comments and queries in the comment box. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.